Hey guys, I'm Rebecca Louise, and today on X Hit we have got 9 moves that are guaranteed to get you that flat stomach. So if you're ready to work out, I've got 2 very special pals as well with me, so let's get going. Well, I've got my 2 trusted friend trainers with me today. We've got Harvey over here. He's going to be watching me today, just critiquing. Alfie is just having a little bit of a snooze. So we're going to get going, so they're just going to help us out as well today. So we're going to start, come down to the ground. We're going to bring our legs up to the ceiling, arms out. Legs are going to drop down, and then bring those knees into the chest and up. So you're going to really feel this in those lower abs. Whew, you're going to be feeling good today. This is an awesome ab workout. We really are going to be on our way to getting that flat stomach that we all want. Whew. Your arms out to the side, just going to help give you a little bit of support. Don't grip down, just have them gently there. Hi, Harvey. What's Mummy doing? Interesting, isn't it? Okay, are you ready? We're going to go on to the next exercise. In 3, 2, 1. Stay up here, legs are just going to come down to each side. Just gently drop it down. We don't want to touch the ground, but just come as near as the ground as you can. Whew. How are those abs feeling, everyone? We're going to be on our way to getting that 6-pack. Harvey, how is your 6-pack feeling today? He's had breakfast. They both have breakfast. Alfie is always trying to steal Harvey's food. Oh, how are you doing, Harvey? Okay, it's give me 5 more seconds of these. Keep it going. Leg dropping down. And coming up again, into that starfish. So legs apart, arms apart, and touching the opposite foot to the opposite hand. And breathe in. Now, we always make sure that when we are doing exercising, we are inhaling and exhaling, because often we find that if we're not, when we stand up, we get a bit dizzy, and that's why. Whew, oh my goodness, that was close. Come on, keep it going. Just a few more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's flip over onto our stomachs. Harvey has had enough of this already. He's been doing his ab workout already this morning. So let's bring it into mountain climbers. Nice and controlled. Bring that knee into the chest. Keep that tummy pulled in. Okay, you should be starting to feel your abs working now. I can definitely feel mine. That's it, guys. Come on, keep it going. We can do it. We've got to work through this together. No one is quitting on me. We're going to go all the way through the end of the workout. It's not that long. You do this every day. You really are going to improve those abs, see a flatter stomach. Whew! I can feel it. It's getting sweaty in here. Give me 1 more. And release. Now I want you to flip over again. We're going to do those famous Russian twists. So you can either do it with your legs or your feet on the ground, or bring them up in the air. It's going to make it harder. Well, what I want you to do right now is I want you to look at your hands. Make sure that your eyes are following your hands. Try and get the hands to come really right to the side of you, so you're really going to be working those obliques. That's these side muscles here. And breathe. Come on, inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Come on, keep it going. Last one. Turning onto your stomach again. We're going to get into a push-up position. And we're going to bring one leg in here and hold it for 15 seconds. Pull that tummy in. Don't put your bottom in the air. Keep the spine nice and neutral. Whew. God, it's hot in here. It's definitely hotter in here than it is in the studio. Whew. And the next one. Let's go. Hold it here for 15 seconds. And breathe. Don't think about the pain. Just keep it going. Just inhale. And exhale. Come on, keep that tummy pulled in. You got it, guys. You can do it. All the way to the end. Just a few more exercises. I'm going to make you spin back around on yourself. I know it's up and down, but that's good. Burning extra calories. We're going to put our legs up into the air. One of my favorites. We're just going to do single leg drops. So we're going to be working those lower abs. Anything when your back is flat on the floor and your legs are out extended and they're going down towards the ground, like flutter clicks, scissor clicks, scissor clicks, scissor kicks, or these leg drops, you're going to be working those lower abs. And for a lot of people, it's the hardest thing to work. For most people, in fact, it's always hard to get those really bottom down tummy abs. Okay, come on. We've got a few more to go. And give me 1 more. We're going to stay up here. We're gonna do circles. We're gonna go to the left. No, we're gonna go to the right first for 30 seconds and then to the left. I'm seriously dyslexic when it comes to my left and right. I normally go do this, but I thought it was a bit embarrassing to not do that today, when actually I probably should have done, because I made more of a fool out of myself by saying the wrong way. Whew, it's like when I'm driving in a car and the passenger goes, right, turn left, and no, turn this way. And I go, no, other left. Happens all the time. Whew, okay, come on, keep it going. We're gonna go to the left, now we are. Now we're going to the left, let's just double check. Yeah, that's fine. Do you know where you do this? You hold your hands up, this looks like a left, an L, so that helps me out. I used to have to do it when I was at ballet all the time. You have to stand the left or the right of the bar. I always used to like to see people go like this. Whew, and it works. Keep it going, come on, feel the burn. I can really feel my abs working now, so I'm just keep talking to you, distract you from the burn that you're feeling. Come on, keep it going. You've only got 5 seconds left to go. Whew. 3, 2, 1, and breathe. We're gonna stick with working our lower abs because they are the hardest thing to work. So we're just gonna be doing flutter kicks. Now, you can bring your legs up here. You wanna try and keep your back as flat on the floor as you can. Yes, you do, Harvey. Or if you've just got a little, you just like little legs, that's a nice little break for me. We've got a whole minute of these, okay? So make sure your back is flat on the ground. If you can, take it lower. That's brilliant, but then you really are gonna feel that burn. We don't want to arch our back. So keep it going. Come on. This is pain, but it feels good. The burn feels good. I can feel the burn, Rebecca. Yes, I can. Loads of you have been saying that you can feel it and it's working for you. Let's get everybody involved. Let's get more of you into this. Feeling the burn, working out your abs, working out your legs. You just feel so good after you've exercised. I've lost my other fellow trainer, but Alfie is still here. He's still with me, still rooting us on. Come on, Alfie, we can do it, can't we, buddy? Yes. That's his expressional face. He doesn't have much of an expression. Okay, you're almost there. I promise you've got 5 seconds left. Come on, keep it going. Oh, I can feel those abs working and release. Whoo, big breath and big breath out. Oh my goodness, it's definitely hot in here and that was an awesome workout. Really felt that one. There you have it. So there's the 9 moves that really are going to get that flat stomach, going to get you into shape. It's coming up to summer, so everyone wants to get ready for those bikinis or, you know, in your trunks or your shorts. Or maybe you want to work out something else today. We've got legs, we've got arms, we've got cardio. That's it, it's got everything. The best channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe. My name's Rebecca Louise. Any questions, you can tweet me on Twitter at The Model Pilot or Facebook, Rebecca Louise Fitness.